Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, the later former Prime Minister Raila Odinga has been awarded the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart, CGH, the highest honor in Kenya. The honor was conferred by President William Ruto on Monday as the country marked Mashujaa Day. A Gazette notice dated October 20, 2025 confirmed the conferment of the first-class CGH honor to Raila, recognizing him for exemplified courage, endurance, dedication, and unwavering commitment to the ideals of democracy and good governance, sacrifice, Pan-Africanism, and faithful service to all of humanity. In his address to Kenyans at Ethiopia Stadium in Kitui, Ruto recognized Raila for his contribution to nation building and an enduring legacy. The government and people of Kenya inscribe Honorable Raila Odinga's name among the foremost of our heroes under the public seal of the Republic. End of quote, said Ruto. The head of state further described the former Prime Minister as a towering patriot and hero for the ages. I quote, "But if we, the people he so deeply loved and served, choose to live by the lessons he taught us, to love Kenya more than we love ourselves, to put unity above division, to aspire for greater, and to serve with courage and conviction, then we can become a great nation of 50 million heroes." End of quote, said the president. The conferment comes a day after the former Prime Minister was laid to rest at Kang'o Jaramogi in Bondo, Siaya County. Raila died on October 15, 2025, while receiving treatment at Devamanta Hospital in Kerala, India. The remains of the former Prime Minister were flown to Kenya on Thursday, October 16th, and he was accorded a state funeral. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news updates.